Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here planning for the week of February 18th, or 8th through the 14th. Dates are hard apparently. I'm using this kit from Planner Problem. This is the first page of the kit. It's all I printed out because it's all I really need for my planning style. It's called Love, and it's super cute and has all these little like chocolates and balloons and lovey-dovey stuff. So this is what I'm using since it is Valentine's weekend. So my plan, since this doesn't include washi or anything like that, I pulled out this red from an Avalon 9th kit. This came from like a grab box, grab bag. So I'm going to use this red, and then I don't think I'm going to use the brown. I think I'm going to use this tape. It's from Amazon. I'm going to use that for these two and just use the red glitter across the top because I feel like that'll be cute and fun. On the bottom, this tape is from Wonton and a Million at Michael's, and then this one is from AliExpress. And I'm just going to stick those two along the bottom. The pink is not like a perfect match, but I feel like it goes well enough that it's going to look cute when everything is put together. So that's my plan, to put all that stuff down, set the kit to the side until I need it. So I'm going to do all of that, and then I will come back for the interesting bits. All right, that is the base down. Got it all sorted out. I did everything in a weird order this time, so that was weird, but I got there in the end. This tape also rolls the wrong way, in my opinion, so that was tricky, but we're good. We got it. For the full boxes, I feel like these two go together, and these two go together, and these two go together, so that leaves these two as like the odd man out situation. I think I'm going to put this one in the sidebar as my like quote box. I don't know, it just seems fun. Anyone else feel like they're really bad at lining these up? All right, there we go. Got that done. That leaves this one. There's the one that goes here. Like we did last week, this area is a little short with the width of the washi tape, so I'm just like squishing it basically because I can kind of still see where the headers are supposed to go to. So I'm just putting them down according to that. Covers up the washi tape. Easy peasy. Any that like stick out really far, I will fix if they bother me. I'm just kind of randomly putting them, hopefully not getting too many that look super similar right next to each other. All right, here's that one. And then here's the last one. There we go. All right, that's pretty cute. I actually really like that. Okay, so popping into the sidebar. I think I'm going to use this like slightly wider washi tape than I usually put in the sidebar because why not? I think everything will still fit. And I feel like it's kind of cute. Add these little dots. There we go. I have this sheet of habit trackers from Sarah Elizabeth Prince in solid colors that I've never touched for whatever reason. And I feel like this one goes perfectly with the colors. So I'm going to use this one. There we go. That's gonna be for tracking Instagram. I will stick an Instagram sticker on there in just a second. Another row. And then I have these leftovers from Creative Cavern Studio. I'm gonna pull this like weekly box from here. And this is gonna be for my dinners. I track them all in my like wellness log, but I don't know, I feel like it's fun to track them here as well. Stick down another row of washi tape. I like still have some space left, so maybe I should run the washi all the way across. I'm not really sure, but I'm gonna pull out my leftovers. And I think I have somewhere in here some checklists. Do these fit? They're like a little bit tall. I had these habit trackers too. Totally forgot about those. And this really dark one. I feel like these are, oh, this would have been pretty cute too. Different week. All right. Back to here. Is there like a shorter one that I can use? I feel like I could use this like light gray one. Oh, and is there like a to-do-ish kind of header? I do have some like to-do headers. They just don't necessarily go with this kit. I think I'm going to use another one of these Get It Done. They're really old from Pink Pixel Graphics. Her shop is no longer open. Just stick that down. And this little habit tracker. And I have like this little skinny spot down here. I'm going to pull that up enough to stick a row of the like header washi tape down here at the bottom. All right, well that was interesting. It tore like a totally different spot than where I cut it. Whatever. Made it work. All right, I feel like that's cute. Just stick a couple to-dos down here. I will pull out a Instagram icon. Trying to find my tweezers. I think I'm gonna use this like peachy pink one. Yeah, I feel like that goes. There we go. Those are from Piper Paper Company. I do have a coupon code down below in the description box if you're interested in that. And then I'm gonna see if I have like a meal icon that goes with the colors. I mean, would be appropriate, but so maybe not the like healthiest meal icon. I don't see any that like jump out at me. I see like meal plan, but I'm not gonna meal plan. Just drop my tweezers on the ground. All right. Thought I lost them for a second, but we're good. All right, I'm just gonna jump into the week. And I think that we are good to get going. So for the week, I'm gonna use these guys to mark work. I know there's only 4, but I have a leftover that is approximately the right size that I'm gonna add as well. This guy, I think, will fit pretty well based on the rest of these. So I'm gonna use that one too. I don't remember where this one came from, but not super important, I guess. So I'm just gonna lay them out. I think I'm gonna have them like get darker here. And then we'll finish off on the other side. Hopefully these don't get stuck to my hair like last week's stickers were getting stuck. No promises though. Underneath, I want to put something for my plan with me. Sure, we'll like go all out and stick a half box for my plan with me. I don't think it's like a crazy week that I have a ton of things that have to go in here, since I do have my daily planner that includes all the like nitty-gritty details of my life. So that is for my plan with me. And somewhere in here I have YouTube stickers. I think we'll use one of these. This red is like a little too bright for this kit, but I think it's gonna be fine. Just gonna stick a little one there. That's from Creative Cavern Studio. That's all I have for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday at this point. Not really sure what else is going on. Such is the life in quarantine, right? So there is Thursday and Friday for work. The other thing I want to mark on Friday, let's see, maybe I'll use this one. This is Lunar New Year. Do I want to stick that before work? Nope, I'm just going to stick it right here. I think that's going to be fun. And then I have these stickers from Happy Planner. And I definitely don't have Lunar New Year on here because priorities, I guess. So I'm just going to use this little star right here and just stick it in like that, and I'll just write it in. 13th, I don't know what's happening. The 14th is Valentine's Day. So I'm just going to stick that up here at the top, if I can put this down straight. I have undo, and I only use it if something like plans change during the week, because apparently bringing it while I'm sticking things down is not a priority. All right, so this book like broke in half, and it's apparently in this chunk. I do have a Valentine's Day sticker here. Let me see if I can stick that down. There we go. And then I think this book has some tiny icons, and this dark red one is a heart. So I'm going to take that and just stick it right there. All right, that's pretty cute. Other than that, I don't know what's going on, but I have a lot of boxes to help me write it down, whatever that turns out to be. So this is what the pre-planning looks like right now. I'm going to fill in what I do know with my IHL 0.38 and get these on Amazon, and I will be right back. All right, that is everything for right now. And stick around for just a second so that you can see the finished spread. All right, here is the finished spread. I love how it turned out. It is so cute. Lots of fun, lots of color. If I don't mention it, it's from the kit, which is from Planner Problem. All I have left is this quarter box, and which is really like a third box, and this one flag. So those are going in my leftovers, but not a lot left over. This dot washi tape is from AliExpress. This is a habit tracker from Sarah Elizabeth Prince, and then a Piper Paper Company Instagram icon. This is a leftover from Creative Cavern Studio. This is from Pink Pixel Graphics, which isn't open anymore. I'm not sure where this checklist came from. And then this washi came from Amazon. This is from Creative Camera Studio. These headers are from Avalon and 9th. Let's see, this is from Plannerology Studio, leftover. Happy Planner. This is a leftover from somewhere, maybe Hurricane Randy, I'm not totally sure. This washi is from Wonton & Million at Michael's. And then these are some more Happy Planner. And that's all I have for this week. As always, please like and subscribe below. Let me know what kits you're using for spring. I'm trying to figure out all my kits for that time. We'll see how that goes. Follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz to see in progress finished spreads. I tag all the shops, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye!